Hello and welcome to this short tutorial on the technology work order system. To submit a work order, the first thing you'll do is you'll go to Staff Resources and then down here to Help Desk. Once you reach this page, you'll simply put your email address. Once on this page, you'll simply put your email address and district password. Once you're logged in, you'll go ahead and select your request type. As you can see, there are quite a few different request types. Choose the one that fits your issue best. Once you select your request type, there may be other subcategories or subtypes that you'll have to fill out. And once again, subtypes under that. Once you've filled out your subtypes, you can type out some details for your help request. And once you've filled out your details, you may have other fields to fill out, such as the asset tag, this carbon copy feature allows you to send an email letting someone else know that you submitted a work order. You may want to put your campus's ITF's name in here or IC to let them know that you have a work order in. Just simply type in the email address and then click enable. For most work orders, you'll also have to fill out your location and a room number. In request details, you can also fill out the best time to reach you in your room. Once you're done with your work order, you can go ahead and click save. Know that sometimes it does take a while for the work order to go through, but as you see up here, it is generating. And usually adding carbon copies to the recipients list will make this process take a little bit longer. Once your work order has been submitted, you'll get a ticket number and then also an email confirmation. You can also go here to history and then view your work orders, and then if you click into the work order, you can see any notes that a technician may add. And if there are any changes to your ticket, you can also submit them here by adding a note yourself. And then click save once you've added that note. If we go back to requests real quick, I'd like to show you one more thing that may help you in the future. So when selecting computer and laptop services, and either desktop or laptop, this will work on both. We'll just go ahead and click on desktop. And then let's just say you're having any kind of issue, really. Let's say you need something installed on your desktop. This will be a lot easier if along in the notes you include your computer's name. Now your computer name can be found on your desktop. That's what part of all this language up here is. That's to help our techs as they're trying to help you. So within this request detail, you can put the software that you need installed, and then down here you can type computer name. And what this will help the tech do is they can actually remote into your computer and then do this remotely without having to come down to your school. And it's a lot quicker for them and a lot quicker for you. If you don't see your computer name up here on your background, where you can go is you can click on your start menu, click computer, and then right down here you'll see your computer name. So that is another place where you could get that name from. And once again, remember, the more information you put in the detail, the easier and the faster it'll be for the technician to help you out with your problem. If you're not sure exactly what the problem is, I would say tell them what you're trying to do and what you can usually do, but what is no longer working, and add that into the detail. That way, at least the technicians can have some kind of idea on what is going wrong. And that will be all on this tutorial for the technology work order system. I hope this has helped, and it resolves your issue more easily and more quickly. Thanks, and have a great day.